All right, everybody out there in bike land, wing nuts, speed freaks, gearheads, nutballs, friends, family, and beyond. Want to say, I hope your day went well. I hope tomorrow's going to be even better. And sleep with the angels. That said, all that to tell you, this video is a special shout out DIY Dark Matter. Good dude, solid person, been with the channel for some time, and he's a mastercraft on a wood lathe. And I was just watching his little thing with something about Smog, the first dragon that was ever in a premiere Hollywood movie, like 77 or something, 1977. That is for you young folks, can't understand math yet. But love you, bro. Thumbs up. If you guys haven't checked him out, he's been a part of the motorized bike community for a long time. He's always supportive, a true gentleman, and long overdue somebody giving him some credit. So, friend of Kevin's shop, friend of a lot of other people, and just want to tell him, man, I wish you could run a metal lathe like that, bro. All right. Peace.